See who's free to. I want to dance with somebody. Well, do you want to just go back to mine? Yeah. And chill? Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Because I probably won't be able to go to Nanny's.
Yeah. I don't know if I will. Yeah. But we'll see.
I made some friends for the night in the bathroom. They're passing time for the night by passing out. But why can't we dance when we're sober? Why can't we stand together?
Cowboy boots.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
Look at that big Canon.
That one.
Dented, it's being dropped.
They're loved. I like these hanging spoon. Look, all their wind chimes. They got little. They sound nice.
They do.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh, look at those boxes.
Might have to have a look at those.
I'm so over getting sober, so I bottle it up, keep it inside, don't let it out till the time is right. The night is young and so am I. Bottle it up, keep it inside, don't let it out till time is right. And here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm so over getting sober.
I have so many bags of clothes that I've been meaning to give away for a really long time. So I guess today is the day that I am going to drive to a donation. Today is the day that I'm going to drive to a donation place and get rid of them. But I can't decide if I want to keep these or not because they're f***ing ridiculous. But like, they're super dangerous to walk in as well. Like, I've rolled my ankle multiple times and I've only worn them like once, so. No, you're going. Bye. There's 3 big boys right there. This is only from like 6 months. We found them. Alright, so that's done. Just little errands. Oh, it's hot. It's literally the sorry, I'm so sorry, I do apologize. It's literally the 2nd day of spring and it's summer, so I mean, I'm not complaining, I love summer, but that was weird. Now I need to go get my dad a card for Father's Day. Pew. I've literally come in here to buy a card, but it's so big and there's so many things and I'm just really overwhelmed. Ooh. A bliss scented candle. Hee hee. Let me out. Hi, welcome back to the vlog. You may have noticed that the sound quality is strange and good. That's because of this bad boy. Anyway, I've just been jamming and I thought that I'd show you what I've been doing. Nothing really, just singing.
The underdogs are my lions, the silent ones of my choir. The women will be my soldiers, with the weight of life on their shoulders. Drink until you've had enough. I'll drink from your hands. I will be your warrior, and I will be your lamb. Till queendom come, till queendom come, till queendom come, my queendom come. Till queendom come, my 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 queendom come.
Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. See ya.